Hi guys, so it is Glossybox versus Birchbox again for the month of April. So I didn't know that Birchbox was a Calf Kidston type theme this month, so that was a bit of a surprise. I think I've got like the most un-Calf Kidston makeup look and outfit on, but whatever. So I'm going to start with Birchbox just because it's standing out to me because it was different than I expected. So let me see. Okay, so we have got a Calf Kidston hand cream, fragrance of jasmine and orange flower. I've not even dug the card out. I'm just getting like ahead of myself. Okay, so the RRP for this is $2.50, so that's reasonable. And it's cute. I'm not a big fan of kind of florally scents, so jasmine's not great. Orange flower I usually do like. So this to me is kind of like a neutral smell, but hand cream, always very useful. My hands are actually in a bit of a state and I need to use more, so maybe this will be the kick in the bum that I need. And then next we've got a overnight bright sleeping cream from a brand called Lumine. Let me see. Cloudberry seed extract, vitamin C and hyaluronic acid work in harmony to replenish your skin's natural moisture levels and restore luminosity to your complexion. So the RRP for the full size of this is £22.50. I don't know how big the full size is because it doesn't say. And I can't see it in the picture, but this is a 15ml sample, which is a decent size, I would say. I'm happy and I will be curious to try that. There is a Calf Kidston flyer. Apparently it is their 25th birthday. Okay, and it's a 15% off code, Birchbox, if you spend £35. Okay, that skirt's actually pretty cute. But how much is that? £55. Well, it puts you straight into the getting your discount bracket. Oh, interesting. I had one of the Hask Masks deep conditioners in my giveaway. This is their Monoi coconut oil version. Ooh, interesting. So it says it's a tropical smelling treatment that revitalizes and moisturizes hair in just 10 minutes. So that's interesting. I love the argan oil version, so we'll see how the coconut one does. And then we've got a really cute dinky brow gel. And oh my god, right, okay. I've never heard of this brand, Botanique. It says the full size is £8.60. This might be a full size because it is just a brow gel. But how cute is their little cruelty-free logo? Like, how cute is that? The bunny's got a little love heart balloon and it's floating up. So, anyway. This is the brunette shade, and I'm trying to see where I can like best pick at this plastic to get it out, because I'm not seeing an obvious like tear here bit. It says it's a fill and tame product. Show unruly brow hairs who's boss with this easy to use formula. Starting at the inner edge of your brow and moving outwards, use short strokes to define and shape with a precision tip brush. The vegan formula, interesting, is enriched with nourishing aloe leaf extract and glycerin, so there's no risk of crunchy or sticky brows. Okay, I'm kind of gutted. I'm pulling off the plastic and the wee bunny with the balloon came off, but there's another one underneath, so I'm okay. I'm okay. We're okay. The bunny's still there. Oh my god, this is so hard to unwrap. It's like the plastic's actually stuck down as well as sealed all the way around. Ugh, right. There we go. I gave up and I still just managed to twist it off. So, nice little brush. It does look a quite warm shade of brown, but since I've been putting red through my hair, that's possibly not going to be the worst thing. Still going to work it out. And then it's got these really cute lily pad and lily kind of pictures on it. I'm definitely going to have a look at this brand some more, see what else they've got. Because their packaging is so cute, and yeah, they seem a reasonable price point, so I always like new brands to explore. And then last but not least, we knew we were getting the Model Co Baked Highlighter. This is definitely not full size. Oh, I'm so slow. I've just realised that they've put a little code at the bottom for what stuff is full size or not. So the brow one is the only one that's marked as full size, which is weird because I know for a fact that that's the size that I buy in the shop. And the Model Co highlighter and the Calf Kids and hand cream are marked as Birchbox exclusives. So we knew we were getting the Model Co highlighter. The RRP is £24. If this will ever come out of its box, it's going to be painfully obvious that it is not the full size. Ooh, how cute it is. We're actually going on holiday and I love many things for holiday, so this is just too cute because it's so tiny. Look at it. So, okay, it's maybe a tad too pinky for me to use the highlighter because I am quite pale. But I guess it depends what else I've got going on in my face, and yeah, but it's pretty pigmented for me. So that's what we've got in our Birchbox. So nice little range, you know, we've got some hand cream, we've got some hair care, some skincare, some makeup, and I'm really excited to go and look at more stuff from that brand who I'd never heard of. So that's always fun. That's supposed to be the point of these boxes, is to discover new brands and new products. So on to Glossybox, which is feeling relatively heavy this month. Not the heaviest, but, you know, feeling good. So got my wee booklet, just the ordinary paper and things. There's no special designs on Glossybox this month. Ah, that's why you felt quite heavy. Okay, we have got a Unicorn Marshmallow Foam Burst Luxurious Body Wash from Imperial Leather. So that's why this felt quite heavy. So this is the full size and is £3.15 with slight, you know, variations between different retailers. So yeah, useful, would always get used. So, ooh, we've got another brush. It's an angled brush. And it doesn't say who it's being made by. It's just a Glossybox brush. It is £5.50. It feels quite nice actually. It's possibly a little bit thicker than I usually like my brow brushes to be, but we will definitely give it a shot. They say it's the ideal tool for your lips, eyes or brows. I do actually like an angled brush for my lips as well, but it's been a while since I've done that. Let me see. Ooh, I've got another Model Co item, which is, oh, okay, I didn't even know about this. So apparently, Model Co have collaborated with Karl Lagerfeld, and this is the Baked Blush in light beige. That's, okay, that packaging's really cool. So this is full size and would, ooh, this is why I hadn't heard about it. Glossybox early exclusive, launch date yet to be released. So it's not even launched yet. That's really pretty. It's actually almost lighter than that highlighter. Okay, that is a launch I will definitely be looking out for and seeing what else comes out, because awesome. Excited, loving it. So that's shade Rose Beige. So I've got a Ico Fat Liner, which I've got one over here that I'm pretty sure came out of like a box as well. So this is one of the felt tip liners. It's a little bit big. I'm not always comfortable using it. It's full size and the price for these is £16. It is a nice black liner. It's just that I'm not very good. I'm going to just show you with the one that's already open. It's like, it's really fat. And, you know, I find it quite hard to get a lot of control. And especially doing like the tip of my wing, I find it quite hard to do with that. But as you can see, it is a really nice black liner, so yeah, we'll see. Next or last, yeah, last but not least, we have a full size setting powder. Can always use setting powder from Effect. So this is their transparent loose rice powder, and the full size is $9.35. So, you know, kind of mid-priced. It says, introducing rice powder, a combination of mica and rice starch, which gives a perfect matte finish. This is one of our makeup bag must-haves, as it's the perfect makeup setter, instantly absorbing oils, setting foundation and lipstick without the cakey look. So yeah, that I will definitely be trying out. I'll need to look into the brand actually and see if they are or are not cruelty free. So yeah, let me see. I'm going to actually give it to Birchbox this month. For all that Glossybox has done the reveal on the model called Karl Lagerfeld, which is dead exciting. I'm not that excited by shower gel. I've had this before and no, I don't like it. I don't know. I mean, brushes are always useful, but I have way too many. And powder, useful. So, you know, I've definitely had my money's worth out of both boxes, but I would say the most excitement for me is to have found a new brand to go and investigate in the form of this Botanique Beauty. So that's my call. If you guys get these boxes, let me know down below. Let me know if you got any of these items. Let me know what you got that was different. And, you know, if you go and have a look at the website for these guys, if there's anything specifically you'd want me to review, let me know. And I will see you guys later. Bye.